What's his name?
Penguin. Rainbow.
Oh, okay. Okay, read the book. This is what level is this?
Level 4.
Okay, start from the beginning.
Bedtime. Come to bed, Jack, said Mom.
Whoa.
Look at my red car, Mom, said Jack.
Wow.
My car could go up and down, said Jack. Come in my... No.
Come on, said Mom.
Come on, said Mom. Come to bed.
Wow.
Look at my...
At me.
Look at me, Mom, said Billy. I am in bed.
Whoa.
Mom, come here, said Billy. Here is a book. So, here is my book. Mom and Billy are looking at the book, said No, Jack. Said S
Is?
is looking at a book. Mom and Billy looked at Jack. Jack is going to bed. Jack and Mom and Billy are looking at the book.
That's great. I love it. And it's called Bedtime. And where are we reading this book?
In my fortress.
This is your fort.
And I'll show you from outside.
Let's see the fort. Oh, there's a tree. Here.
I'll show you from outside. Here's my tree. I see it from front. Be careful. You can see. That's my tree. This is the fortress. See it?
Step back a little bit so you can see the big picture.
So
And then look at the tree. Slowly. That's good. Okay, turn it off.
Okay, there's my cat.
Where's the cat? What's he doing?
My cat is looking at. Sorry. Look.